Here's a quick rundown of everything you need to know about charging your e-bike. Firstly, the exact method of charging your e-bike battery can vary depending on the make and model. So before anything, check your owner's manual. It's important to only use a charger that has come straight from the manufacturer. Not doing so poses a potential risk to yourself and the battery. Now, if you've just bought an e-bike, you're going to need to give it a full charge before riding. This can take up to 24 hours. After your initial charge, your battery will fully charge within 3 to 8 hours going forward. As with all charges, we recommend that you do this inside. Performing a charge outside, especially in the cold, runs the risk of reducing the power capacity of the battery. When using your e-bike regularly, try not to let the battery fall under 25%. It's best to recharge within 24 hours. Not maintaining the charging level can affect your warranty. If you're not going to use your bike for a while, it's best to store the battery inside. Check it at least once a month and try to keep it above 60%. And remember, only use the charger that came with the bike. Finally, don't forget after charging to leave the battery for 10 to 15 minutes before refitting it to your bike. If you have any questions about charging your e-bike's battery, pop into your local Halfords, where a member of the team will be happy to assist you. To see our e-bike range, head to the Halfords website.